Hey everyone, welcome back to Garnock Reviews, where today we're checking out a 2022 Nautique G23. This boat was on display at last year's Jacksonville Boat Show, and while the G23 might be new to me, Nautique itself is not. They're legendary ski boats, and I remember used to seeing the ski Nautique boats back in Loch Lomond in Scotland when I was growing up. And while it's possible to ski or wakeboard behind many boat riders of this size, this one was designed for it. And what I mean by that is the hull shape is designed to give that perfect wake out the back of the boat, especially if you're into competition skiing. As I step on board over the bow, you instantly see that high quality feel from the fit and finish. There is storage everywhere, especially underneath the seats. And this one came equipped with an actuated tower, so this one can be raised and lowered electronically. You see it's also got the tower speakers built into it, and it's also got the wakeboarding holders on the side as well. And if I go straight to the engine, this one is equipped with a PCM. It's a direct injection 6.2 litre 450 horsepower gas engine. This one will give you a top end speed somewhere around 40 miles per hour, but the real key here is she's got 465 pound-feet of torque. So that way you get plenty of power to pull either the ski or the wakeboard out the water. I liked how accessible the engine was for maintenance, and I liked the amount of storage that was available back here as well. As you can see, we've got a very spacious cockpit. In total, this one's got a maximum capacity of 16 people or 2,500 pounds. There's a great deal of luxury, including drinks holders, stereos with speakers, and just overall comfort so you can enjoy a day on the water without being in a hurry back in. Including the platform, this one measures in at 25 feet 2 inches in length. She's got a beam of 10 feet too, and she's got a draft of only 31 inches. The helm is very well equipped, and this includes having a wireless charging station. You also have the Link Pan Array touchscreen. And to help with both docking and also getting it on a trailer, this one's actually got a stern thruster installed on it as well. And to help make sure that maintenance is taken care of on this one, there's an access hatch on the deck, and if we pop this open, you'll see here that this has got access to things like your batteries, as well as your filters and bilge pump and things like that. And just in front of this section, there's another access panel on the deck, and this time it opens up and it gives you access to a removable cooler. I like that it was removable. Not only is it easier for cleaning, but also if you put this on the beach, something like that, you can take the cooler with you. On the port side, we've also got a little storage compartment. It's got access to the stereo, but this would also be a great place for putting things like cell phone, keys, wallets, where it's close by, but it's also secure, so you don't need to worry about it falling overboard or getting wet. And there's a much larger storage section on the bow, and that way you can help put more equipment in there, including possibly your skis. And part of that dedicated hull design is this one also offers supplemental ballast. So if you don't have the right amount of people on board for that perfect weight distribution, you can add water in here as supplemental ballast and drain it back out. And as you see the boat here, including the trailer, at the boat show last year, this one was on offer for $229,141, which was a saving of just over 22 grand based on the suggested retail price. As always, I'd love to hear your comments down below. If you haven't done so already, if you could please hit the like and subscribe button, it really does make a difference. And I look forward to catching you on the next one. Thanks everyone.